Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to show you where you can host your WebQuest. And notice the various places: Google Sites, Blogger, Wix, Weebly, Google Docs, WordPress, PBWiki, Gamma, AI tool, Squarespace, Wakelet, Padlet, PBWorks, Wiki, Book Creator, Canvas, Canva, and EduBlogs. So let's get started with the first one, which is Google Sites. We're going to click on it, and it'll take us to this. Now you need to have an account on Google, a Gmail account, in order to be able to do this. So we're going to look at this. Notice portfolio, family, event, helper, and there may be other template galleries that we can look at. But we're going to start with a blank. And this is what the blank will look like. Now, this is a WebQuest, so we're going to first of all give it a title. And I'm going to call this The Perfect Society. It's a WebQuest that I created in 2005. Perfect Society, I could have that in one. There we go, like that. That's the site name. Notice that instructions are here. I'm going to create pages. I can add images and of course take a look at the themes and different colors. Right now it's simple. I can go into this color, green, okay, and as well as get other colors in here. Okay, I think I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. All right, I can also get other colors, as I said. Okay, so lots of features here. Going to stick with light. Notice light, classic, and that's the font, or heavy. Okay, it's up to you what you choose. And then notice there's Aristotle, and you can change the color there. And there's a vision, nice, eh? Level, impression, and you can get various colors for that. Impression, well, I think I like impression. I'm going to stick with impression, even though vision is quite nice too. Yeah, maybe I'll stick with vision and change the colors. That's the themes. I can also, notice, go back to pages because that's what I actually want. Notice also at the top, publish, and you can make a copy, of course, and share with others to collaborate. And you can preview it both on your desktop and on your smartphone. Really amazing features. Now notice Untitled Site. Going to call the site The Perfect Society, which is the same name, Society, as my WebQuest. So there we go. That's done, and that's going to appear here. Or you can call it my WebQuest. It's up to you. The Perfect Society, maybe WebQuest, so that it'll be easier for people to access and understand. Right. Okay, so we're going to go, as I said, to the pages. And here under plus, notice new menu selection, full page, embed, new link, new page. Going to go with new pages. And the names are going to be the sections of a WebQuest. So introduction is going to be one. Oops, spelling. Done. Okay, next one is going to be the task. So we're just going to write task, done. Next is going to be the process. Okay, so let's go into the plus and write process. Notice under advanced, your custom path. Okay, we're not going to get there. And then plus is the next one, which is resources. Sorry about that. Resources. If this is the first time that you're seeing the sections of a WebQuest, you're invited to join my WebQuest once a year for 4 weeks, completely free, with a final certificate for doing all the tasks and lots of digital badges. Next is the evaluation. These are the main sections. And then the next one is the final one, unless you want to add more, and we are going to add more, and that is the conclusion. Now, these are the extras. I'm going to add credits, okay, for that, and I'm also going to add teachers. We don't need to page for, so teacher guidelines. You can call it anything you want. Guidelines. And you can also have student if you like. I think that's not necessary. But anything else that you'd like, that's fine. The credits are actually the references. All right, so we've got all our parts, and now we can focus on each of them separately, one at a time. And notice you can duplicate the properties, add a sub-page, and hide from navigation. You can also make it the home page. The home page right now is this, the Perfect Society. Notice under properties where you can add, instead of calling it home, as you can see at the top, we can call it the title. Okay, the title of the WebQuest. Okay, because it is the title. And we can make, notice here, you can add a logo. Now notice here, navigation, brand images, viewer tools, custom domain. That's not something that we're going to go in. You can also add a favicon, which means that instead of seeing this at the top left, which is for Google Sites, that's their favicon, you will add your own. So you can upload that as a favicon. If you need help with any of these, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment box below, and I'll be happy to help. You can also have an announcement. So we're going to upload a logo from my computer. Notice you can also create your own theme by going into themes and then plus. Now here you can add the name of the theme. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it WebQuest, since that's what I'm doing. And you can add a banner image and a logo. And I've already got a logo, so let me add a banner image from my computer. So I've added a logo and a banner, and then next, notice here I can choose preset colors or custom colors. Okay, that's up to you. I think I like, I don't know what I like actually, because they're all kind of nice, but maybe I should go with these. And here you can decide what colors you'd like to use. I think that, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but let me try it anyhow. Okay, so maybe some version of red, I don't know. And then title, headings, okay, which you want for the headings and so on. I think those are fine. And then I'm going to create the theme. And notice that's the theme now, the Perfect Society. I think it suits it quite well, except I don't, maybe the background is a bit dark. So the colors, I'm not sure. But you know what? It looks kind of interesting. Notice, okay, so we've got the title here, introduction, process, resources, and more. Notice with the other ones, of course. And I see that there's something here, untitled, because the theme hasn't got a title. So let's call it WebQuest. WebQuest. Okay, so now we've given it a title. Okay, so now that we're all ready We've got everything ready. We can publish. Click on the publish. Okay, and who can view? Anyone, right? And the web address, I would remove the Perfect Society WebQuest. It's fine. Request public search engine, not display. No, I think that's fine, display. And then hit publish, but that's up to you, of course. All right, now remember, it's not finished. We still need to add all these. Okay, so we've got the title, that's fine, but we still need to add the introduction. Okay, so if we go into the pages and the introduction, this time we're going to go into insert because we want to insert text. As I said, you can also embed it if you've got it somewhere else, or you can go to your Google Drive. I just want the introduction. So in order to get the introduction, I'm going to go into the WebQuest. Let me just get rid of that. We don't need the Google Drive. We need text as text. So I'm just going to go into the template and add the information for there. Just copy and paste. So here we are. Here's the template. And notice the introduction. Everything is here, actually. So for the introduction, I'm just going to copy it, go back, and paste. Notice you've got an editor here. You can link things, and you can change the text and so on, and anything else there, the second row, to move things around. You can also highlight, and of course, so that's for the, okay, I think I'm ready with this. I can also have images here, divide, social, placeholder. I can add YouTube, calendar. Notice all the features that can be added. All right, so I'm going to leave that. View published site, and here it comes. Okay, notice, okay, so this is it. And that's kind of how you're going to work at it. So that's the first one. I'm going to go on to Blogger, Wix, and so on in the next video. So stay tuned. This was part 1 of how to host your WebQuest.